Hi all. Today we are going to create a back-to-back sales order, and in this back-to-back sales order, I am going to use a buy item. Okay, so which means that I am going to buy this particular item from the external supplier. Okay, so go to the open the cloud instance, and I have logged user who is having access to order management and the inventory management as well. Okay, so go to order management and click on order management application. So this is the overview page, and from overview page you click on create order. Okay, so here you select the business unit as US1 business unit, the customer as computer. Okay, sorry, the customer I am going to select computer service rentals. Okay, so as soon as I select the customer, the bill to and ship to details gets defaulted automatically. So I'm going to select a item which is a configurable item, and this is as this we are going. Okay, so I have selected this particular item, click OK, and configure and add, click on configure and add button. Okay, and this button get enabled only when you are using the configurable item. Okay, so from the configure page, options. Okay, either ethernet ports, 48 ports, and uplink module I am checking 2 by 10, and I am selecting power module as 110 volts, and housing color will be vision blue. So click on finish and review. Okay, so here you can review the options which you have selected. Now click on save button so that a sales order gets created with status as draft. Okay, 97385 is our sales order number. Let me quickly note down this sales order number. Okay, 97385. Okay, so from actions, first I'll do the validation to make sure the options which I have selected is correct and the details which I have entered. So along with these details, I'll go to shipment details, and from here I'll select a request date is 4 days from now. Let's say I'm selecting 24th. Right. So now submit the sales order. So the sales order will be submitted. Okay. Sales order 97385 was submitted. Just click on OK. Now your sales order status gets changed to processing. Okay. So now what we'll do is, like, from actions we'll click on switch to fulfillment view to see the fulfillment line and fulfillment line status. Okay, so a fulfillment line is created, and the not started. So we'll just click on refresh so that order orchestration process gets started. Okay, so now order orchestration process is started, and it is showing the status as supply request complete. Okay, and you just scroll down, and under the supply details, system has derived the warehouse as 003 by using global, which you have set up in the system. Since this is a back-to-back sales order, back-to-back this section got displayed here, and still the supply order number is yet to generate. Okay, click on refresh. Okay, and sometimes it will take time to generate the supply order number. is generated. We'll click refresh to see the status as well. Okay, so now the supply status, it is showing it as awaiting supply. Now we will go to supply order number. Okay, so in supply order details you can see the supply type as buy, which means you are going to buy this particular star item from right hand side by selecting this particular line. What is the supply source? Supply source is Midtown Computer Supplies is the source from where we are going to get this particular item. Okay, and again if you go to orchestration plan, here it will display the different tasks. Okay, first it has to create the purchase requisition, then purchase order, then a reservation, then gets completed. So if you go to the execution documents, here you will see the requisition. Okay, still no, we are system yet to create the purchase order. Okay, just click on refresh. Okay, so now a purchase order is created. So purchase order will be created for this particular item. Supplies. If you want to know, you just click on this particular link and you can see the purchase order created in this system. Okay, so now the purchase order is created. So for this particular one, purchase order is created. So what is next? So we have to receive this particular item against this purchase order into warehouse 00 in fulfillment lines. If you want to see it, you just click on done and go to the the fulfillment page where you can see the warehouse as 003 in supply details tab, or you can if you just scroll a little bit right, here also you can find the warehouse. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to and supplier received this particular purchase order and he has shipped the goods into us, which means like we have to receive this particular item into our warehouse 003. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to inventory management. See, since I have logged in with the SCM IMPL user who is having the roles required to create the sales orders and to create the shipping. Okay, so from here I'll go to supply chain execution and then I'll go to inventory management. Okay, let me quickly note down the purchase order number. So select the line 16. So I am in inventory management from task pan. Click on task pan and from here select just a second. Okay, so now we are in inventory management and from task pan. Okay, so from show tasks you just select receipt and click on receive expected shipment and enter your purchase order number, which is 164042. We will receive this item. Okay, I will enter the quantity as 1 and then I will select the sub inventory as stores and we will enter received by as Kelvin Roth, who is basically a procurement warehouse manager. Okay, so now we will click on create receipt and click on submit. So a receipt number will be created. Okay, so we'll click on that. So now uh, the receiving part is completed. So the supplier had sent the material and you have received that material into your warehouse. So now our sales order is ready to pick the goods and ship. So again from the same before doing the picking and shipping process, we'll go to manage orders, and from here we will see what is the status of the supply order. Okay, so the supply order showing the status as inventory available. So now we can go ahead and create the picking and shipping. Okay, now click on inventory management and from task pane shipments, and from here click on manage shipment lines. Okay, so from here from saved search what I'm going to do is I'll select all lines due today and the next 7 days, because our line is expected to be shipped from 4 days, which is expected to be sent on not 20. Now enter, take your sales order number 97385, select order type as sales order, and you enter your order number, click on search. Okay, so now edit shipment line screen displayed, and from here actions you do the pick release, you select the pick release. So pick release request ID was created for the selected lines. You just click on OK. Okay, so we did the pick release. The next thing is we will click on ship confirm. So shipment 63205 was. So now we did the picking and shipping using one single step. Click on save. Okay, so now we will go to manage orders. What I'll do is I'll come from the sales order line, because the status is whatever we are showing seeing here in the supply order details, sometimes it won't get refreshed. So and from there we will see what is the status. Okay, so just click on refresh. Okay, now it is showing the status as shipped. Just click refresh, so that it will get changed to awaiting billing. Okay, now awaiting billing, and from here we will go to fulfillment view and we'll see what is the fulfillment line status. Again it will be awaiting billing. Okay, so from here we will see what is the supply order status. Okay, now the supply status, it is showing it as supply order is closed. Okay, so click on done. So now the sales order line, that these lines are interfaced to AR interface tables, and from there again we have to submit import auto invoice program, so that the lines will be interfaced to AR and and from there AR invoice gets created. Okay, so if you want to see the order to cash full end-to-end cycle, I have prepared another demo. You can verify it. I will give that link in the description, video description, so that you can watch the order to cash if you want to see from sales order till account AR invoice creation and AR receipt creation. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you.